Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 25 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1984. Minimum difference between highest and lowest of k-scores. So these are the constants given to you. Constant size is very small if you see. Nums.length is from and k value is also from 1 to 1000 only, and nums of I values from 0 to 10 to the 5. Okay, so here let's read the problem statement. You are given a 0 indexed integer array nums where nums of I represents the score of the ith student. You are also given an integer k. We have to pick the scores of any k students from the array so that the difference between the highest and the lowest of the k score is minimized, and we have to return the minimum possible difference. So here, if you see this example number 1, in nums we have just one value, so we have to just pick one student. So there is one way to pick scores of one student, 90. The difference between the highest and the lowest score is 90 minus 90 is equal to 0. That's it. So the minimum possible difference is 0 here. Now if you see this example number 2, so in this we have to pick two students. So, and we have to pick those two students score in such a way that the difference between highest and lowest score is minimized. So here definitely sorting should come to your mind here. If you do the sorting here, let's say you have 1, then you have 4, then you have 7, then you have 9. So maybe you can pick these two students, or maybe you can pick these two students, or maybe you can pick these two students. So here if you pick these two students, then the difference between highest and lowest score is 3. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 2. So that simply means we have to return the minimized. So in this way only I can get minimized. It doesn't make any sense for me to just select 1 and 9. So that is why sorting is important. It doesn't make any sense to pick 9 and 4 here. If I do the sorting, the difference will be minimized if I just take two alternative like this, right? The difference is minimized. So in this way we have to pick. Clear this part? So there are 6 ways to pick scores of two students. You pick a 9 4, difference 5. You pick a 9 1, 8. You pick a 9 7, difference is 2. You pick 4 1, the difference is 3. You pick 4 and 7, the difference is 3. You pick 1 7 6, the minimum possible difference is 2. That is from here 7 and 9. So let's do the sorting now, right? Now let's take some bigger example here. Let's say you have scores like this: 1 2 8 10 11 12. So let's say my k is equal to 3. I have already sorted this. So now you have to pick 3 3. So this is one way. These 3 students you can pick, or you can pick these 3, or you can pick these 3, or you can pick these 3. So in this, the difference between the highest and lowest is highest and lowest difference is 7. In this, the difference is 10 minus 2 is 8. In this, 8 and 11 difference is 3. And here the difference is 2. So that simply means we have to select these scores, these student scores. Pick the scores of any k students. So these 3 students I will pick. And because if I pick this, the difference between the highest and lowest score is just 2. That's it. Now let's write the code. Very easy. Only few lines of code. Here int n is equal to nums.length, and after this just sort the array. Arrays.sort nums, and here min difference, let's take the some max value here, integer dot max underscore value, and then after that run one loop. int I is equal to 0, and here we have to take one window, right? And window is of if k is equal to 3. So that simply means if I am here 0 1 2, so I need this window. So I can say my window, the last element of this, I can say I plus k minus 1 and nums at I plus k minus 1 and minus of nums of I. This is what I need. So here if you put I is equal to 0 and k is equal to 3, so 0 plus 3 minus 1 2, so this window. Same way when I is equal to 1, so here 1, and here 1 plus 3 minus 1 is 3, so see 2, and here 3 index. So this is the difference I need to find out, and this is where my last time my I will stop. After that I will not proceed. So I will say that my I plus k value, it should be less than equal to n until here. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. So when my I is at 3, 3 plus 3 6, so it is less than equal to my n is nothing but the total number of elements here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, n equal to 6. So here yes, it is true, 6 is less than equal to 6, true. But when it going to reach, my I going to reach 4, so it I will not take, only until here my I will run in the end. So that's what I am planning to write here. I plus k is less than equal to n, and here I plus plus, and here I will update mean difference is equal to math dot mean of mean difference, and here nums of I plus k minus 1, and here minus of nums of I, and here that's it. And from here you have to simply return mean difference. That's it. Now let's run the code and see if there are code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So our solution is submitted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be of n log n, because we are doing the sorting. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in the comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.